Thank you very much for joining SushiTech Tokyo 2026 today. Now we will begin the session on Italy Deep Tech with a Human Edge. イタリア人間性を核に据えた Deep Tech. So please welcome our speakers.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Gianpaolo Bruno. I'm the Italian Trade Commissioner to Japan, and we support Italian companies in their internationalization process on this market. And particularly, we are very sensitive to the needs of small, medium-sized enterprises with a strong tech DNA. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Italian Innovation Pitch session called Italy, Deep Tech with a Human Edge. In Italy, in fact, we strongly believe that technology is most powerful when it serves the human experience. And as a matter of fact, today you won't see just products. You will see how our world-class engineering and out-of-the-box thinking are solving complex human challenges. These selected companies are ready for the global stage and more importantly for the Japanese market. Whether you are an investor or a corporate partner, I invite you to look closely at these founders. They bring the grit of deep tech and the vision of a human edge. Please join me in welcoming our speakers. Give me a big round of applause.
Thank you very much to Mr. Bruno, the Trade Promotion Section Director of the Embassy of Italy. And now I would like to start the pitch of the Italian companies, calling onto the stage Takeover, Mr. Franz Lamy. Thank you. And Takeover is about like advanced geospatial sensor for the infrastructure, and I let him to explain what they do. Please.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Franz Lamy, and I'm the founder of Takeover. We help infrastructure operators inspect complex environments safely and efficiently, especially where traditional methods are slow, fragmented, or difficult to apply. We do this through geospatial engineering, combining high-precision surveying, digital twin technologies, and advanced data analysis. We are also now operating in Tokyo, where we are looking to build partnership and develop projects in the Japanese market. Today, infrastructure inspection is still complex and risky. In many cases, inspections are performed manually, especially in environments such as tunnels, undergrounds, and industrial facilities. These are often dangerous environments with limited access and poor data availability. As a result, inspections are not only inefficient, but also costly and expose operators to significant safety risk. Our approach is to transform raw data into actionable infrastructure intelligence. We use advanced technologies such as LiDAR and laser scanning to capture high-precision spatial data, even in complex environments. This data is then processed into digital twin models and integrated into monitoring systems. The result is a complete and reliable understanding of infrastructure conditions, enabling data-driven decision and more efficient maintenance. To address this challenge, we developed Marea. Marea is an advanced drone platform designed to operate in confined and hazardous environments where human access is difficult or unsafe. It allows us to perform inspection without exposing operators to risk while collecting accurate and reliable data. The platform integrates technologies such as LiDAR, imaging system, and environment sensor, enabling full inspection even in GPS-denied environments. With Marea, inspection becomes safer, faster, and more efficient. We are now present in Japan with Discover Geospatial, based in Tokyo. Our goal is to build strong collaboration with local partners and contribute to the development of advanced infrastructure solutions. In particular, we are looking to work with engineering company, infrastructure operator, and to launch pilot projects in the Japanese market. We believe there is a strong opportunity to apply our technology here and create long-term value together. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested, I will be very happy to connect and explore potential collaboration opportunities. You can scan the QR code or come and meet us at our booth. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much to Mr. Franz Lamy and his explanation. And we're going to go next with a time-lapse lab with Mr. Damiano Bauce. The company is about a remote monitoring system using AI for infrastructure and site inspection. And I will let him now explain their startup.
Okay, thank you. Can you hear me? Yeah. So I'm Damiano from Time-Lapse Lab. Basically, we have different brands, but all of them we do remote monitoring in different business areas. With Time-Lapse Lab, we do monitoring in the construction. With Avacam, we do monitoring in infrastructure on the territory, and with Waze, we do underwater monitoring. So basically, we provide to the customer the hardware and the software based also on the AI for remote monitoring different business areas. So what are the challenges? With our services, you don't have to go to the site. You can see everything remotely without going there. And you have the visibility to the site each day for all the duration of the site. We provide the hardware and the software. The hardware is plug and play, and it can be used everywhere. It doesn't need any maintenance. This is not video surveillance. We based everything on the snapshot, so there is no problem about privacy. And all the pictures gave us a lot of data and information, like information about safety and how it's going on the site. We work in different business areas: safety, marketing, project manager, commissioner, etc. We work with construction companies here in Japan, with Toda, with shipbuilding company, Fincantieri, Maersk, MSC, etc., with government and different companies that works on the site every day. And so from one platform, you can see all your construction site, how it's going on everywhere without going there. And this is, we can make it because we have our own radar network that can detect a lot of pings and stuff on the site, basically directly on the image. And all the images for GDPR and privacy regulation, and also for military reason, can be blurred, people, vehicles, and areas automatically on the photo. So there is no data transmitted to the platform. We have a patent for the system with the hardware and the software. We can detect a European patent, can detect people, and we can blur everything. And we work with the safety because we can send alert for man down, restricted areas, alert human-machine interaction, and everything blurred. So we have also automatic working schedule. So we compare two different images, and we can write down how it's going on the site without going there. This is very important for project manager. This is a device. It's plug and play. You can ship. Now we ship in 25 countries. It doesn't need any maintenance, but you can work even with your hardware. With Snapple, it is the same services, but this is SaaS. So, and we work even with landslide monitoring with Avacam. We do the same. So we do the hardware and we do the software, and we can detect the movement and the change on the display map on the terrain, even with a lot of 100-meter from the site. And the last one was Waze. We work even with construction under the sea. So with under the sea level, you can see everything remotely. This is our contact, and they can find us at our booth, Italian Pavilion. Sorry for late.
Thank you very much to Damiano. And for the next startups, we're going to announce now Koala. Koala is a digital solution for a platform for a decentralized energy market. And I'm going to welcome them to the stage, to Vittorio D'Alfonso and Mariano Luciano. Please.
Hello everyone, we are Mariano and Vittorio from Koala. Where we truly believe energy should belong to people. Our main mission is to turn citizens into active players in the energy market. Millions of consumers use energy every day, but they don't control it. Even when we think about how it's traded, where it comes from, and how its price is defined. Also, if they produce energy, they don't have a clear value of the economical value. That's why we built an online platform. That's the Koala platform. Starting from the Energy D, that's a new way of digitalization of the identity of a person. Certified, transparent, and fully digital. The Koala platform is structured into 6 modules. Koala Share to join local energy communities. Koala Pro, tools for collaboration with professional and the clients and operations. Trade, enabling peer-to-peer energy trading. Then we are working on other 3 modules. Flex for aggregate flexibility for the grid. Crowd for the crowdfunding, and Mate for a deeper user integration in the system. That's together these 6 modules integrate a fully system for an online platform.
Actually, our business model is really simple and scalable. We have Koala Share that's completely free to maximize the adoption, and we generate revenue through Koala Pro subscription and Koala Trade transaction fee, and more, with the next generation platform that will come in soon. Talking about the market, the opportunity is huge. In Europe, we count more than 300 million consumers, and 50 million producers. That's count to 95 billion market. And based on that, actually, Koala is not just a vision, but it's already alive. In 2025, we released the first MVP that's in a year count more than 6,000 members and 75 key revenue. Our vision in the next 10 years is to count 15 million users and the 5 billion annual revenue. And to do that, we actually create a team of multidisciplinary, young, highly driven members that's working together to create the next generation energy decentralized platform. Because in Koala, we believe in something really simple. Energy should belong to people. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Koala. And for the next one, I'm going to now call LunoCode. LunoCode is an AI digital solution. It's about analytics for like brand security in the large language models. And I will let him now, Mr. Dario De Micheli, introducing his startup.
Hello. Hello, everybody. My name is Dario De Micheli. I am the CEO and founder of LunoCode. So today I'm going to present to you LunoCode, which is the software that we've been working for the last 3 years and a half. Basically, what is a LunoCode? A LunoCode is a software that helps businesses to rank, to be visible on LLMs, such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Perplexity, and all the others that are growing in the market. Starting from the team, it's myself and my other business partner, Alessandro, and Joanna and Melissa are the other 2 key members of the company. But we are a company composed by more than 10 people. What is the main problem? That current softwares available in the market are working for a world that is disappearing, which is the SEO world. People are not searching for information on Google only, so they are not looking for information on classical search engines, but also they are looking for information on LLMs as well. So if I want to search for the best sushi restaurant, I go to ChatGPT more now. So the problem is that classical tools are working for a world that is disappearing, SEO. And this is where we position ourselves, in the LLM market, in the being visible in the LLMs. So we're not working for the old world, but this new and upcoming world of LLMs, such as ChatGPT and Gemini. The platform is very simple. We audit your website, your brand, and we tell you where your brand is cited, mentioned in the LLMs. But also we do not only red flag the problems, but we also provide actionable information and actionable suggestions on how to rank better on LLMs. The market is facing a very massive disruption. Only the SEO world is growing a lot. It's expected to be more than 120 billion by the end of 2033, and we are working in this fast-pacing market. This is a very short projection of the company. We're expecting to reach more than $1 million by the end of 2028. It's perfect for any kind of business, big or small. We're looking for investors, and thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you so much to Dario. Thank you so much. And now we're going to welcome the next speaker. It's from two speakers are from Electa. Electa is an AI financial forecasting for small medium enterprise. Now welcome to the stage Mr. Fabio Lauria and Ms. Ann Anderson. Let's give an applause for them.
Hello, everyone. Today, companies have more data than ever, but how much time goes in the reports every month? So, Japan has over 3 million companies asking the same question, and they do not have a good answer yet. And according to METI, if these businesses do not digitalize, Japan loses around 12 trillion yen every year, and that's the problem. So, around 70% of small and medium-sized companies do not have, they cannot afford, let's say, analysts or complex software. That's why they make decisions on gut feeling and fly completely blind. And this shows up almost everywhere, since managers spend hours preparing presentations for customers, leadership, other stakeholders, rather than focusing on scaling and winning businesses. And that's why we have built Electa for.
I founded Electa with a clear mission to make AI data analytics accessible for every business in the world. So our platform automatically imports and pre-processes data from different sources and then automatically generates report. You can simply set it up in 5 minutes and import data from Excel or other sources. So here's where the AI forecasting machine learning system comes in. You can automatically generate different kind of forecast, sales or charts which you then can customize in a few seconds, and then you can use that generated report for your business use. And so one click, the system generates visually appealing reports presenting key insights in clear and easily understandable way. And let's go to the other side. Then, other slide. The other slide. Okay. You can trust us. Our platform is super AI privacy based. We don't sell your data. Your data stay private and secure in your system. We are Star certified. We won many awards, like Netty Awards. And time's up. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much. Thank you to Fabio and Anne. And now we're going to welcome to the stage next startups, MLR, with Mr. Giuseppe Carapellese to the stage. So let's give him an applause. Okay, go please.
Hello and welcome to everyone. I'm really pleasure to tell you about our platform, Voof Day. Every day are happening thousands of events all over the world, and one of the biggest problems for agency and media is how to fight against fake news, deep fake, and in general AI tools that are seriously undermining the reputation of the information sector. In fact, it's really difficult to distinguish what is true and what is fake. In addition, when we are talking about breaking news, we are talking about unpredictable event, and it's difficult to be there and be absolutely sure that what we are looking at is real. But whenever an event is happening, there is always somebody there that usually take photos and video and post it on social network. So what we do, we propose the first ecosystem for certified news content that can connect also underrepresented voice with the global media opportunities. We give the possibility to everyone with a smartphone to become a potential reporter and document everything that is happening around them and sell this content directly to media agency, journalists, and television. So we provide a service to common people, professional reporter, institution, and everyone that want to certify content in order to build again trust and create new opportunity. We propose a solution that is traceable, verifiable, and sustainable. All the user should do is just post content, short post content in order to be fined and then withdraw. We have already worked with many companies and also institutions such as the World Summit of Nobel Peace Laureates, having also a great result in reducing the impact of CO2 emission. We also protect the copyright of the creator. Here are some partnership, technological and academical also. Our business model is about transaction fee, and in this year we are also opening a subscription plan and API license for the certification technology. Something important about our technology is that not only certificate this content, but it's able to track them in case somebody applies some kind of modification, deep fake, etc. We will be able to say what has been changed in these contents. The standards, the Sustainable Development Goals are the real soul of our project. And we are not talking about a concept. We are talking about a platform that is already working. And here are some proven impacts, some proven images that we have created. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to Giuseppe. Now for the next company, we're going to welcome to the stage Atlas with Mr. Alessandro Fulio. The company is about AI software for oncological diagnostic. And let's hear. Thank you so much.
Good morning. I come from Cagliari, Sardinia, one of the world's blue zones where people live longer and healthier lives. Today, I'm going to tell you how we are turning that longevity secret into technology that can transform medicine. A few statistics. One out of 3 people will face cancer. 55 million people live with dementia today. Here in Japan, 29% of the population is already over 65, and 40% of cancer are still diagnosed late. This is not a future problem. It's happening right now. Medicine needs a revolution from reactive medicine to predictive medicine. Now I want to show our project. Our first platform, ADOC, is already in clinical trials at the University Hospital of Cagliari. It analyzes ultrasound real-time using deep learning, detecting 23% more positive cases than human assessment alone, and delivering results 3 times faster. This is artificial intelligence that works alongside doctors and not instead of them. Our second project is a research project called Quantum Twin, builds a living digital model of each patient, combining artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, and quantum computing to predict disease 2 to 5 years before clinical onset. Individual cancer risk, neurodegenerative disease, personalized prevention, a competitive advantage over anything else on the market. This slide is more important. What makes us unique is the synergy. ADOC diagnosis, quantum twin predict. Every ultrasound, for example, every ultrasound enriches the digital twin. Every prediction sharpens the next diagnosis. This is not 2 separate products. This is one paradigm shift. This is a direct answer to the National AMED Precision Medicine Strategy. The partnership with Japan is strategic for technology and the population characteristic. We have the same characteristic of a population Japan. This is why we are here today. In conclusion, ADOC and Quantum Twin represent the full convergence of artificial intelligence diagnostic and predictive medicine. We are already building the clinical medicine of the future, from Cagliari to Tokyo. If you believe medicine should predict, not just react, let's talk. We are at stand 1, booth 118. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much to Alessandro for your presentation. And for the next one, we're going to call to the stage now Mr. Antonio Amendola from Icarus. And their solution is about AI for automation for clinic desk. And we're going to allow you.
Yeah, thank you, Angelo, and thank you to the whole team of Italian Trade Agency for supporting us in this adventure. Konnichiwa, everyone. Icarus is about today, healthcare personnel and doctors have a burden of work that is not just healthcare, especially is in the phone calls. The first way you contact your doctor is often by phone. And in many clinics, they used to lose more than 25% of the daily calls. That means upset patients and losing business. Is a repetitive task, so healthcare staff is overwhelmed with that. And it's not only the phone call, it's the workflow that gets from a phone call. The clinics and the doctors, they need structured data and no more phone calls. That's why we developed Jenny AI Assistant. My name is Antonio. I'm the head of international relations. And we structure with an AI agent all the flow from the phone into a portal that can be actually more coordinated, and we can handle 10 phone calls contemporarily. This is our portal. We answer directly the phone, and we get all the data and all the actions that are needed for the clinics. This is a case that we are working in Italy with a less weight facility. This is a huge market, so we are into healthcare, which is a really huge market. This is pretty interesting. We are on the market since 3 months. We got more than 15 paying clients in Italy, a POC in Japan, a POC in Spain. There are big numbers in the scalability of the product to more than 1.8 million. About the competitors, we have some competitors. Of course, we are in natural language processing and healthcare. Many of our competitors do one of both, so we have a pretty clear vertical. Our projections of growth are pretty impressive, and we are actually on the scaling path. The more important thing of Iterus is our team, huge IT team working with management and AI expert. Thank you very much. Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you so much to Antonio for hearing you from. It's always lovely. And now for the last speaker, we're gonna have now the company called Digitarca. They're about like digital twin for infrastructure. And I will let Mr. Alessandro Accetura explaining what they do. Please.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for the opportunity to be here today. I'm very excited to introduce you Digitarca, an Italian company specialized in 3D digital twin and geospatial solutions. Founded in 2004, Digitarca has a huge expertise in technical surveys on field, data processing, and we have got proprietary cloud platform based, and we realize also AR and VR solution for immersive visit on for tourists and for clients. There is some of our targets on. You can see heritage, asset inventory, real estate, infrastructures, cities, and regions. And there is our team that includes engineers, software developer, also geospecialist, and data management and data manager. There is our team. Digitarca has a huge improvement in these years because we gave attention to one Italian society and one Italian fund that acquires us, and so we the cooperation with this society permit us to see a lot of markets. And now we have 550 professionals totally. There are some of our certification and some of our clients. This is our platform. This is our cloud-based proprietary platform that permit to municipalities and also clients to have a lot of information of the urban digital twin. Maybe you can see the grades of the street, the height of assets like pool, lumen pool, and you can have also a lot of information of the area. There are some interface of our platform, our cloud platform. There is a video to our bid for the city of Turin, because I think that images can explain better than words what we do. There are our MMS service on field that we have a digital twin of the entire areas. We can go a 3D visit into the cities, into the streets. and have a lot of information of the areas. This is an important bid, Italian bid we awarded in 2025, and we have the total digital twin of the city of Turin. Yes, this is how our platform works, with a lot of information and the object detection. So with we use AI to catch all the assets, maybe also the number of targets. The asset mapper with it. And we have a lot of surveys, a lot of information, and the georeferentiation of all the assets. Okay. Go away. And for the end, I want to introduce you our AI platform that consent the automatically mapping of all assets of the cities. And okay. Thank you. Thank you for attention. It's a really pleasure to introduce Digitarca, and you can follow me to the Italian store. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much indeed for your attention so far. I'd like to really extend a warm thanks to the Italian entrepreneurs that have shared their vision today and for coming such a long way from Italy to talk about technology and the future of technology. As you have seen, Italian technology is not only about developing ideas, but is also about concrete projects and scalable technologies. I would like to thank you very much and invite you to visit the Italian pavilion upstairs, where you can have a fully fledged interaction with the Italian entrepreneurs, with the founders, speaking about their prototypes, and particularly speaking about collaboration for the future, because the future is about sharing experience and sharing projects. Thank you very much. Let's share the future together. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that session. Now we have some information. We would like also